Think about it. Airbnb for hot tubs, right? We're going to figure out the hygiene angle. I'm thinking probably a subscription model for chlorine, but yeah, we'll work it out. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me some of those juicy comments. What do you think, Dane?
Yeah. Great idea, Pete.
ABC, baby!
That's right, Pete. ABC.
Hey, man, I'm into a latte. You want one?
No thanks, Pete.
Okay.
This is the Peak Design Creator Kit, and I'm the guy who designed it. With this slim little mount, you can instantly turn your phone into a content creation powerhouse. So I'm gonna walk you through how it works and how it's gonna take your content creation to the next level. First, let's talk about the SlimLink connection system. That's the little rounded square on the back of our cases and adapters. For many of our mounts, it's a purely magnetic soft lock, similar to Apple's MagSafe. But for our more action-oriented mounts, like the Creator Kit, we added a mechanical hard lock in addition to the magnetic connection for an extra layer of security, which means it's instant, ridiculously strong, and secure enough for any shot in any situation. And you can still attach or remove your phone with just one hand. The case it works with is beautiful, rugged, and surprisingly slim. Second, it's super versatile. It adapts to tripods, GoPro mounts, quarter 20 mounts, and the Peak Design Capture camera clip. So if you don't feel like lugging a full-on DSLR, just grab the Creator Kit and mount your phone to any Arca type tripod head to capture those time lapses or long exposures. If you're looking to film your ride, just attach the Creator Kit to a helmet mount or a chest rig for GoPro level POV footage. Your phone can attach in portrait mode or landscape to handle all your content creation needs.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, TikTok? It's Big Wang over here at the Rock property, giving you big real estate advice.
Third, the Creator Kit is part of Peak Design's mobile ecosystem, so you can seamlessly move between your desk, your car, your bike, or your motorcycle, plus loads more. And finally, pirate mode. And you know what else is cool? Creator Kit is guaranteed for life and 100% carbon neutral.
Can you do it like a pirate though?
I'm not saying it like that.
Come on, Dane.
And 100% carbon neutral. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to our customer service team at info@peakdesign.com. Music!
Aye, aye. Yo-ho, and up she rises, yo-ho, and up she rises, yo-ho, and up she rises early in the morning. What do we do with a drunken sailor? What do we do with a drunken sailor? What do we do with a drunken sailor early in the morning?